Hi, this is Aziz Khan with one more video. One of my viewers asked me that how we can add antennas in the database. So as we know that, for example, if we start to plan any link and while planning we can put antennas like these antennas. Generally you select your antennas and but this is a good question that how, I mean, for example, if you are new and then how you populate it. But to populate it, first you have to have the antenna files from somewhere, I mean, from your friend or from your vendor or somewhere. So let's assume that you have antenna files somewhere and you know that where those files are saved. And you reach to this place, I mean, you started making a link and then you click on antenna and then you come to this antenna data file index and just assume that this was empty. So what you can do is that you can import antenna indexes from here. So for example, if you have this file and or if we go here, I mean, for example, these are, you feel that there are a lot of antenna files here. Then what you can do is that you can ask it to create an index for directory and subdirectories. And now when you will create index, I can click it right now as well. It will try to get all the antennas from these files. So it says that 861 files added to the index. So, and because I already had all the files, so it has showed me a kind of error that some of these files are not added because they were already there. But you can ignore that and then you can just close it. And now this, your index, it has all the files within that subdirectory. So once you once you have the files, then you can filter those files. So you can filter based on manufacturer or frequency, and also based on if you have different type of antennas like aperture antenna or dipole antenna. So you can have a kind of filtration of these. So I hope that this video should be a good understanding. I mean, basically, to summarize it, I mean, loading antenna database is very easy and simple stuff. I mean, you just have to create an index and you have to add the files in that index. And but if you have a subdirectory structure, then you should select directory and subdirectories. If you have only you want to add a single file, you want to add a direct and then a new directory, then you can go it through this. Otherwise, you can go in directory and subdirectory, and you can add your antenna files in such a way. And when you will open any directory here, it will show you that if it really contains some antennas or not. Like if I click it, I cannot see it because it's a zip file. This is also a zip file. Okay. This is a radio file. Okay, this is antenna file. So when I click it, it showed me that this file has this one. So from here you can verify, I mean that, for example, if you are just trying to bring one file, you can verify that the file is there and then you can create an index and bring that file, and you can add it to your existing list of files. So I hope this video should be a good answer. I mean, I try to keep it brief, and I try to make it, I mean, easy to understand, and hopefully it was a nice information for you. So see you in my next video. Okay, goodbye.